Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to get the Shortbow in Gothic 1 Remake. The Shortbow is one of the early game bows that you can get, and it can easily help you during the early stages of Chapter 1. However, acquiring this bow is easy to miss unless you've properly looted the previous areas. What you'll want to do is get a beer in exchange for some information. We have a video on the channel covering how to get a beer, so please make sure to check it out. After acquiring the beer, speak with Drax in this small camp just after making your way out of the mining valley. Once you reach Drax after making your way past the mining valley, you'll want to go through his dialogue until he asks for a beer in exchange for information. After he shares a combat tip with you, you'll see this conversation option about his knife. What he's asking for here is his hunting knife. We have a video on the channel covering how to get Drax's knife, so please make sure to check it out. Once you give him back the knife, he'll reward you with the short bow, which has 20 points in damage that is immediately equipable and doesn't require any additional stat upgrades. An additional tip is to make sure you go through all of your conversation options with Diego at the beginning of the game to unlock all possible dialogue options with Drax. And that's how to get the short bow in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.